There seemed to be some interest in the idea of a survival kit necklace, and the idea certainly is not mine, but I thought I'd talk a little bit about it. Now, this is something I picked up at Academy for just a few bucks. Um, it's a duck call lanyard, and this is how it comes with places for three attachments, and then for I think this was probably like $4 or $5. And then I don't have the packaging for this one still, but this was a little accessory they sold right next to it for $1.99. It's two more loops that you could string into this. And this is a great little thing. Very, very cheap, but it's a way to hang all kinds of items. There's items where you actually can have a container that pulls open, and of course you probably want to secure that with some tape, but you can put all kind of items inside that hollow tube. You know, a lot of your survival kit items have ways of hanging them, and when they don't, you can always dummy cord them in some way. With a little bit of creativity, you can even put dummy cords on items that you wouldn't normally think of being able to hang off of a necklace. You can certainly do it. But I got to playing around and I decided to take it a step further. Now this is a necklace that I just made really quick, and I am no paracord weaver. I went onto a YouTube video and just saw how to do this. But what we have here is two 8-foot lengths of paracord. But one of the pieces of paracord, this tan one here, is actually survivor cord. You've heard of survivor cord. It's the paracord that actually comes with more than the regular 5 strands. As it says here, in addition to the 5 strands, it's got a strand of brass wire. Actually, it doesn't say brass, it just says wire, so I'm not sure if it's brass or not. And then it has a strand of fishing line, and then it has a strand of waterproof waxed jute, which is really easy to catch flame. And so what I've done is, by weaving the regular paracord in with the survivor cord, I've got two 8-foot lengths of cord, one of which has some fire starter, has some fishing line, and some wire. You know, we're talking 8 foot of fishing line, we're talking 8 foot of snare wire or wire, but it's something. And of course, you don't have to make this type of weave. They've got all kind of weaves there, paracord weaves that you can get real thick, and you can put more cord into it. But what I've done is I've just taken some pieces I've had, you know, I don't throw anything away, and I've made it so that it would be very easy to untie all this. I've got 2 ties right there, which would enable me to start taking all of this apart. But leaving it as the necklace, I've got 3 places that I can hook any of these items to. And then these little guys here, and like I said, I just get this stuff, and when I get something crazy like this, I don't throw it away. But these things unhook. It's hard to do one-handed. So these things unhook so that if they were wrapped around some item, I now can take them apart and use them. So that's a pretty cool way of doing things. And like I said, there's very little limit to what you can hang off your neck. Now, is that necessarily comfortable? No. But if you wanted to go that way, where you just grab this necklace, threw it around your neck, throw it under your shirt, and that was your survival kit, it's a way to consider. Hey, thanks for watching.